Your book cover is the #1 thing that makes readers either scroll past or click on your book on Amazon. You could have the best content in the world, but if your cover looks amateur, then nobody is going to give it a chance. But here's the secret. You don't need to pay a designer hundreds of dollars. You can generate professional cinematic book covers using nothing but ChatGPT and 2 free editing tools. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I create a Netflix-style book cover within minutes. First, we'll generate the cover inside ChatGPT, then we'll polish it up in Cleanup.Pictures. Finally, we'll drop it into Canva and turn it into a finished, ready-to-publish KDP cover. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, step 1. We're going to have ChatGPT generate the book cover art for us. I'll type in something like, create a cinematic, Netflix-quality book cover for a nonfiction book titled The Productivity Blueprint. Make it bold, vivid, and professional. Include dramatic lighting, strong colors, and space for a title. Now I hit enter, and ChatGPT is generating the image for us. And just like that, here are the results. Look at how eye-catching this already looks. This is the part where people realize you don't need Photoshop skills, you don't need to hire freelancers. ChatGPT can give us cover art within seconds. Now, sometimes these AI images have little issues, weird text, artifacts, or details that don't belong. That's where the next step comes in. Let's download our image and drop it into Cleanup.Pictures. See this random text the AI added? Watch this. I just brush over it and boom, it's gone. See this messy little corner? Erased in seconds. This step is what takes the raw AI image and cleans it into something that actually looks professional. After just a few touches, we now have a polished piece of cover art ready for the final step. Now, let's open Canva. Canva has a book cover template, which makes this super easy. I'll upload the cleaned image here and then drop it into place as the background. Next, I'll add the title, The Productivity Blueprint. Notice how I'm choosing a bold cinematic font. That's key. A strong font is what makes this look like a real book cover instead of just a random AI poster. I'll add the subtitle here, then put the author name at the bottom. A few tweaks with size, spacing, and effects like glow or shadow, and there it is. We now have a professional, cinematic book cover that's ready to upload straight to Amazon KDP. So there you go. We just created a professional, Netflix quality book cover using nothing but free tools like ChatGPT, Cleanup.Pictures, and Canva. This entire process takes under an hour, and you can repeat it for every book that you publish. You don't have to spend months waiting on a designer. You don't have to waste money on Fiverr gigs. And finally, you don't have to settle for amateur looking covers. And if you want to learn the full system that I use, not just for covers, but for researching, writing, publishing, and editing entire books with AI, I've put it all inside my course. The link is right below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.